In one class, homework is worth 15% of the grade, of the final grade, and each of three projects is worth 20%, and the final exam is worth 25%. Okay. And part A gives you a scenario. If a student has a 93 homework average and a 78 on the first project, what is the student's grade at this point? Part B says if a student gets a 75 on the second project and a 71 on the third, what is the lowest grade they can get on the final? To get an 88, get an 80 for the overall course. So let's take a look at this thing together. So the weighted average so they were saying that homework is what, 15%, and each project is 20%. So now we see what our average looks like. And so the first one, they ask us if the current average, if the student gets a 93 on a homework and a 78 on the first project, do you want to know the current average here? So the average is there for that first part, 84.4, the current average. Then the second part asks if we go ahead and fill in the rest of the grades and they get a 75 on the second project and a 71 on the third, what's the lowest grade they can get on the final? So you have to fill in everything here. And since all the grades are in, we're dividing by 100. And we want to know what does X have to be for them to get at least an 80 overall. So we can simplify this down, and when we see that it'll simplify down to 5,875 plus 25x divided by 100 is equal to 80. Okay. So you want to get rid of this fraction here, so I'll multiply both sides by 100, and I end up with 5,875 plus 25. X is equal to times 100 to make that 8,000. Then I can subtract 5,000 from both sides, 5,875. So that's going to tell me I can divide both sides by x, by 25. So x would be equal to 21/25 divided by 25. Which is 85. So that's the lowest possible grade they have to get on the final to finish the course with an 80 overall.